What's going on, guys? Patrick here. We're here at the Madico booth here at the Tint Off, and I'm here with David, and I was walking by. A lot of people have like shrinking back windows like they normally do, but it caught my eye because this is not a shrink. This is some sort of other product. David, again, David from Madico.
Yep.
He's going to go and explain everything.
So I'm David Jenson. I'm the Clearplex program manager for Madico. So this is an exterior windshield protection film made out of the same material as automotive window tint. It's just a thicker product at 4 mil thick. So the main purpose of this film is to protect windshields against rock chips, road debris, really anything that would damage the glass and cause the windshield to be replaced. In addition to having impact protection, this film also does reject 99.9% of UV. So I'm going to be doing a little impact demonstration for you guys here. So the right side of this windshield, the driver's side, is not protected with our film. The left side is, so the passenger side is. Right at this line is where we made the cut. So in addition to doing a impact demonstration, this demo also shows the optical clarity. So you can compare the optical clarity on the driver's side to the passenger side and see that it's really negligible. Furthermore, this film was just installed maybe 3 hours ago, so it still has time to cure, so it will continue to get more optically clear. So I'll proceed with the impact demonstration right now. So this is a spring-loaded center punch. We're going to make an impact on the unprotected side, and you'll see how that breaks the glass. Do one more, and I'll do one more in kind of a fresh area. All right. There you go. So now we're going to do this same impact on the protected side with Clearplex. And what you can see is that the film is able to completely absorb that impact and prevent it from being transferred into the glass and breaking and damaging the glass in any way. The reason why you're seeing a little bubbling right here is just because this film isn't fully cured. There's still some residual moisture underneath there. Once the film is fully cured, if you did have an impact, that wouldn't cause any bubbling because all of that residual moisture would be pulled out. This product is a great product for your luxury high-end cars. Cars that have windshields that are over $1,000 or more is generally our threshold for saying what justifies as a targeted customer for Clearplex. But we're really seeing that the market has expanded with the rise of ADAS functionality and windshields being incorporated to more mid-market car manufacturers like Honda, Toyota, Subaru, etc. So you're now seeing it's not just your Porsches, your Audis, and BMWs that have windshields that are $2,000 or more to replace. It's Subarus, Hondas, Toyotas that have windshields that are creeping up to that price point as well, which really is kind of redefining how important this product is and why this is more of not just such a niche product anymore as it was maybe 2 or 3 years ago, but becoming a product that, you know, tint, PPF, detailing shops can start offering to almost every customer that walks through their door. If you want to learn any more about Clearplex, you can visit madico.com/Clearplex. Also visit our Instagram. We're really active on Instagram. We do repost pretty much daily where we highlight dealers from around the world that use our product. So from there, what you can do is you can see who else is using the product and really understand the target customer that you should be marketing this product to ensure that you're successful and you yield high positive results when you're marketing this product in your shop. You can also reach out directly to me. My name is David Jenson. The email is djenson@madico.com. I'd be more than happy to answer any sort of questions you guys have.
Thank you very much to Madico and Dave for taking the time to demonstrate this new product. Really, really awesome stuff. Again, if you guys want some more information, check out what he said, and we'll see you soon.
Thank you. Talk to you guys.